Here is the best and most flavorful way to cook your beans porridge. Obviously, this beans porridge is soft, creamy, and well seasoned to perfection. So let me show you how I made this beans porridge. I have my pre-cooked beans here already. I made sure my beans was perfectly cooked until pretty much soft. So what we are gonna be doing is to transfer the pre-cooked beans from the pot into a colander and then leave to drain excess water. Once you have done that, place a large pot on your stove top. Then add some palm oil into the pot. You don't want to bleach the palm oil, you just want it to get hot and not smoky. Once you have done that, add in your smoked fish and stir fry this for about 4 minutes until slightly brown. Once you have achieved that, take out the fish from the oil and keep aside. Next, add in some grated ginger into the hot oil and stir fry until fragrant. Follow it up with some chopped onions and saute for 3 minutes until fragrant as well. Next, you wanna go in with your blended pepper mix to the hot oil and stir fry this for 5 minutes or until the oil moves to the top of the sauce. Season the sauce with chicken stock cubes, ground crayfish, salt, and some scotch bonnet if you like your beans porridge to be a little bit on the heat side. After that, stir this and make sure everything is nicely combined. Once you've gotten to this stage, you can then introduce your pre-cooked beans. Oh, this is pretty much. The beans will probably last up to 2 weeks in the freezer. So I prepared a whole lot of beans here. Stir this and make sure every seed of beans is well coated with the red sauce. You will also want to season the beans again with the remaining crayfish and onions. Then go in with your rich chicken broth. I'm also adding in the strained beans water. You can see the beans water looking rich, so you don't have to discard it. Stir the beans properly and make sure everything is well incorporated. Also, add in some garlic powder if you're using that and mix again. Just before you bring the beans to a boil, add more palm oil to this. The palm oil gives your beans that rich orangey color. Go ahead and place a lid on and bring your beans to a simmer for 10 minutes while stirring intermittently. After 10 minutes of cooking the beans, you can get back to check on it. Return the fried fish into the beans porridge and also add in some spring onions for crunch and color. Look at how beautiful it turns out to be. Oh, I love this already. Stir the beans porridge properly, cover and bring to a simmer again for 5 minutes. Now just come and take a look. Can you see that? It's really creamy and it's flavorful. These fried beans is what you need for your breakfast or lunch. You should be trying this out. Now our beans porridge is ready. Every spoonful is creamy, tasty, and deeply satisfying. It is an ultimate comfort food for you. Serve your beans porridge with some fried plantains, gari, or crusty bread. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you like it. If you do, give a thumbs up and share with your friends. See you again next time.